Happy Friday. It's Jen with Polk County Public Libraries. And for this month's adult craft demo, we are making memory jars. So if you've been coming to the library for a while, you might recall that we did a memory jar project a few years ago. And we really enjoyed it, and it seemed to be very popular, so we wanted to try that again. So stop by Saluda Library or Columbus Library this week and pick up your take and make kit to make a memory jar at home. This is a great family project. If you have kids, you guys can all do it together. Of course, you can do anything you like for your memory jar project. So this is what you have in your bag. You may be aware that there is a shortage on canning jars right now. So the jars that we've included in your bag are actually plastic jars. You can use a glass jar if you like. There is a lid on there. So what you're going to do is fill your memory jar with any memories you like. It can be memories of this year. It can be memories of a special trip you took. It could be memories of a special person in your life. Anything you want can go in your memory jar. And we are planning to put these up on display for the month of January. So if you want to keep your memory jar at home, that is totally fine. If you want to share it with the community, then please come drop this off by New Year's Eve so that we can get these all out in January. And then at the end of January, if you want to keep it, you can come pick it back up. So on the bottom here, you can write your name and phone number just so at the end of January, we know which one you're coming to pick up. And it has a little reminder to come pick it up the first half of February. And then there's a little tag, so you're going to need to cut out that tag and punch a little hole in it. And then you can use the yarn that's in the bag to tie it kind of right around the bottom of the lid there. And on your tag, you're going to write just what your memory jar is about, what kind of memories you included. So these could be photos. You could write a poem that you want to display inside. You could put little trinkets, little mementos. Like I've seen people who did beach vacations, they put some sand, some shells in there. So anything you want for your memory jar. One thing I did write on the note here is don't include anything like super special, because of course there is always the small chance that your memory jar could go missing, get stolen, so make sure you wouldn't be completely heartbroken if you don't see it again. All right, and then you can display it at your house, or we would really, really love it if you brought it back to the library by December 31st to share your memories with us.